Now, before we go any further into this section, we need to introduce a key concept in relation to marginal costing, and that is something called contribution. Now, contribution, quite simply, is calculated as sales revenue minus total variable costs. So we can calculate a company's total contribution as being equal to sales revenue minus total variable costs. Now, we could also calculate unit contribution. So our unit contribution, or contribution per unit, will be equal to the selling price per unit minus the variable cost per unit. Under a marginal costing system, if we want to calculate the company's profits for the period, then all we do is take our total contribution and subtract fixed costs, which will give us the profit figure. Now, this is a key. Look at that. Let's just have a look at a couple of numbers so we get this whole concept of contribution. So let's just say, for example, if I have a unit selling price of £10, and I know that my variable cost per unit is equal to £4, and I wanted to calculate unit contribution, it would very simply be my selling price of £10 minus the variable cost per unit of £4. So my unit contribution then is £6. Now, what I am saying here is that for every unit I sell, I earn a contribution of £6 that goes towards paying for my fixed costs. That's what we mean by contribution. It is short for contribution towards covering fixed costs.